Let's go. Oh, you could do it.
Ain't that high.
Well, if they were in here, we'd be dead. Hey, I see Russians, guys. I got Ruskies.
Hey,
Ruskies.
Ivan.
Big building on the left.
Big building. We might need to go down. Oh, there they are. Alright, Benji, which will?
Going this way.
This way or this way? Where are they at? Where are they at?
Fucking right here across this. Right.
Yeah, we move into the building.
Oh shit.
Close, close.
Got one. We need to move up.
No, he's got right in that corner.
Ain't nobody coming for you, Ivan.
Contact. Russians on the far east side of the boat.
I got one. I got the one you were trying to get.
Good.
Dude, if they come up over this wall.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Benji, this is not a good spot.
Here. See, I'll fucking hold this corner.
You
Let
got
me
that
know
corner.
if
All right.
You can get it. If you can get a shot.
Got it. We can't be on the outside. We're gonna get fucked up if they come over that wall.
They're all like, you can see them already.
I got that one guy. Yo, guys, there's a fucking shit ton. Benji, come here.
Benji, engage them.
No, they're a little too far. They're a little. Wait, hey, Benji. We need to move up to that next building before they go. We need to make a move.
Alright.
Where's that door?
Go out the main entrance.
Go.
Main entrance. This way.
Go on left.
This back way.
We're going left. Let's push up that front building.
No, Avery, we are. Let's go. Go. Oh shit! I thought that was fucking. Go.
Get in that window.
Get in that window. Go. Get the fuck in there. Go.
Watch it.
Watch that front. There's a bunch of them up there.
Copy.
Oh shit, yo. Bunch of them behind the cars. Back change. I got one.
Take him down.
I got 2 down behind the cars.
White devil, guys, come on. You guys are devil.
What?
You guys fucking left me and now they're doing the call sign because they think you guys are hostile.
Okay, then did you tell them?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Yeah, it's going left.
I fucking tried suppressing the other dude when he picked him up. You guys fucking just left me there.
Yeah, we fucked up. Sorry, buddy.
You got an extra mag start to do an ambulance?
Behind the red car.
We'll fire. Behind that car next to the red one. SUV. Yeah, yellow tape on the window. They're falling back.
Guys, get the fuck out of the building. Let's go.
You alright? Where are we going?
Go.
Where are we going? Oh shit. Alright, let's go. Go. Go, keep moving. Keep fucking moving. Oh shit. Ah! Medic!
Bill Pouch.
Building
room. Where's he at? Somebody.
Ah! I'm hit! 48!
Fucking KB, stop.
Ah!
Where is it?
Out of the way. It's in my pants pocket. Why don't you drag me? Drag me out of the way.
Let's call him into the room by the red one.
Call out the make and model if
Yeah, I
you
got
can and the color, so we know which car.
idea what it is, man.
And the tag number.
Oh, and the interior color too.
Interior crocodile.
Check if it's 5-speed or auto. Why is there smoke? Whose smoke is that?
Guys, return fire!
Friendly, that's friendly. That's a saw up there.
Grass, man.
That's a saw up there. That's friendly. That's gotta be.
Yo, we can't throw smoke in the grass. Guys, no smoke in the grass.
You're at the car. Hey.
Two tangles behind those silver car with the yellow flag and take them down!
Get some fuckers! Hit! Fuck!
Where's that? Where's that?
Fucking lost mine.
Good.
Hunter! Pick around the right side of that car. Take them out!
Behind that
We got
car in the back.
Hunter! Right side!
Right side!
Guys, suppress the Hunter can get a shot!
Back change.
You good? Oh, hey! Fuck! Medic!
We need a medic!
Medic!
Where's the fucking fire coming from?
Where's the fucking doctor?
Guys, better come back in, I'll cover.
I think everybody's dead but you, bro.
I'm still up.
Hit!
Baron's fucking...
Hey, are you need buddy aid or medic? I need a fucking
Buddy aid!
cover me.
Drag him. Buddy aid! Right sleeve.
Right sleeve. Oh shit, dude! I about fucked you up.
Oh,
Dude, I about fucked you up.
you gotta announce when you're fucking coming over that shit.
Oh, dude, I fucking hurt my toe too.
Return fire, guys! Return fire! They're gonna fucking storm.
Grenade!
Is that fire starting on that? No, it should be. Oh, fuck. Okay, it should guys, start making these guys back in ASAP. I can't feel my legs! Fuck! Mama!
We are in a bad fucking spot.
Yeah.
Want to make it back to the building? Can we?
Hold on, pop up. 1, 2, 3, shoot!
Go. Hey, bud, you still up? Hey, one guy's getting pretty fucking close.
I know, I've been taking them out of the ring.
I thought you were fucking dead. Hey, bud. Buddy. You got an extra mag? Where you at? Alright, I'll be over there in a minute. Do what? Alright. Thanks.
Make sure I get it back, please.
Yeah, I will. What's your name?
Hunter. Are you in 4th?
Yeah, 4-4.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Hey, when they walk, we should move. Coming in! He's in! Kill yourself. Yeah! Get some! Oh yeah!
Hey, medic!
Why would we help you?
I'm talking.
Fuck off, bud.
Avery. Shit. Hey, you mind laying down? I don't want to shoot you in the head.
That's like about a helmet.
I don't want to shoot you in the face.
That's better reason.
I don't want to be that guy. Hunter! Oh shit! Wonderful. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, it's 1 versus like 30. Awesome.